Welcome to another Adminnovate quick tip. Let's talk about delegation. I recently did a workshop with some local business owners all about using the Adminnovate model as a tool for delegation. And what resonated with them the most was bringing it back to the basics of the definition of delegation. The Merriam-Webster dictionary defines delegation as the act to empower another to act. And the key word here is empower. Giving someone something to do without empowering them to make a decision within parameters is not delegation. That's just tasking. To delegate, we have to empower those that we are delegating to make a decision within the parameters that we set for that specific thing that we are delegating. And what the Adminnovate model does is give you a tool to define what someone has the authority to do. And by giving them the authority and empowering them, they are then taking ownership of their role and their decisions, and that gives you a tool to delegate. Learn more by ordering my book, Buried in Business, at Amazon, or head to my website at jamievanek.com.